Hi everyone, we're going to find the equation of the tangent line at a given point, namely this one, using the chain rule. This is part 1, and the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite my function to the 1/2 so I can use the chain rule. So we're going to take the derivative of f using the chain rule, and we're going to get 1/2 times 3x squared minus 2, and then 1/2 minus 2/2 is negative 1/2. Then you're going to take the derivative of your inner function, which is going to be 6x, and we're going to clean this up, and we multiply these two, so it's going to be 3x so it's going to be 3x. Sorry, lost my thought. And then the denominator, you just bring this down. This is square root of 3x squared minus 2. So you know when you take the evaluate your x, you get your slope. So we're going to evaluate 3 at the derivative. And when you plug in 3, it's 3 times 3 over square root of 3 times 3 squared minus 2. And that's going to give you 9 over 5. Now for the tangent line, you're just doing like you would do in Algebra 1. You have your x and your y. And I'm just going to write y equals mx plus b. I plug in my slope. Then I'm going to plug in my x and y. To solve for b. So you get 5 equals 27/5 plus b. And therefore b is going to be 25/5 minus 27/5. That's negative 2/5. So your equation is going to be y equals 9/5 x minus 2/5. Alright? And if you want to put that in standard form, you can move everything over. I'll move it over here. Put your x first, and you have to multiply everything through by 5. And you would get 9x minus 5y minus 2 equals 0. So, and the next one we have is this one. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite this as 1/3 x times x squared plus 5 to the 1/2. Okay? So now we're evaluating it at 2, that point. We go ahead and take the derivative. In this case, we're going to have to use the product rule because we have two separate functions. So I'm going to write down my first function, this part. Take the derivative of the second function, which would be 1/2 times x squared. Actually, just that part, 1/2 is x squared plus 5 to negative 1/2, and then multiply it by the derivative of the inner function. Alright? Then you have to add this function, which is x squared plus 5 to the 1/2, sorry, and then you're taking the derivative of your first function, which is just 1/3. Alright, now cleaning all this up, we're going to get, let's see, this part here is going to be, these two cancel. If you multiply these two, you're just going to get x. So we're going to get 1/3, and we have an x squared The 2's cancel here. The denominator is going to be square root of x squared plus 5. And this piece over here is going to be 1/3 times the square root of x squared plus 5. And since we're just evaluating, let's go ahead and just leave it like that and plug in our 2. When you plug in 2, you're going to get 4 over 3 times 3 plus 1/3 times 3, which equals 13 over 9. Now for the equation, we're just going to write y equals mx plus b. Our slope is 13 over 9. Then plug in your 2's. So it'll be 26 over 9. Solve for b. So I'm going to write this as 18 over 9, this 2, minus 26 over 9. That equals your b. And that's going to be negative 8 over 9. So your equation is going to be y equals 13 over 9x minus 8 over 9. And that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.